show Miss Dennis some explosion. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am standing here right now with Marty Brown. Marty Brown, welcome to ECW Explosion for your very first time match here at Explosion on the ECW Network for only free on the free or natural new official YouTube name. So, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta say, what we have here is gonna be the best battle. I just talked to Tommy Dreamer, and I don't know if he's closely focused on this match. This could be the advantage for you.
Well, what's not what you want? Look, Marty Brown. I know we're having friends, but Mick Foley's gonna be ringside, and I look at you like you was my brother, man. We gotta stick together. Look, let me be in ringside for you, just for your sake. Usually Marty Brown don't go with team, but I'll take you for your consideration. You're in. Come on. I told you, brother, are back.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, that match is next. Marty Brown versus Tommy Dreamer in the street fight.